Welcome back to Best Car Fixes Toyota Venza, brand new transmission from the dealer. Check engine light is on. What we need to do, I believe you change it, you have to do at least look at the codes, try to reset all the code and go to the transmission and see if there is any adaptation or reset. You don't need to do crazy stuff, but at least do something. I'm gonna say okay. Okay, he asked me, is this car with a smart key or without a smart key? This car is smart key, you see it here, not twist ignition. So I'm gonna say with a smart key. And this is a car 2015 Toyota Venza GGV model. Say yes, Venza, V-E-N-Z-A, V-E-N-Z-A. So now it's gonna take me to the platform where I'm gonna choose the car information. Stay with us. Now I'm going to go to diagnose, control unit. I don't want a control unit. I want to go back to auto scan first to know what I have in the car. This is one of the best, and you see how fast it is because of the new technology. 2015 is a new car. Component or the electronic component inside are newer, so the communication and the speed of CPU, central processing unit of any computer here, is very fast. And why? Because it is based on CAN communication system. CAN system is more faster than the other communication system. If this is like 2001 or 2, it takes long time before you read all this information. So we stay with us. We are 90%. Some of them no response. Engine 4 faults. So let me see what fault I have. I'm gonna go to report. Look for the line. And now here, camshaft position, camshaft position, sensor A circuit, camshaft position. On the engine, I have 4 faults. On the engine control, the steering angle sensor circuit also, we have codes. We know those also problems. Now airbag, occupant classification fault. Occupant classification fault, maybe it's disconnected. We're gonna look for that one. Why is the fault there? Remote start communication. This car have remote start. Yeah, look here. We have remote start. Window switch, right door. Occupant classification. ECU battery open. So we have a problem there. So I gotta go back, turn the key off. Let me stop the AC. I'm gonna do quick erase. I want to erase everything here. Transmission, we have no problem, but I will go to the engine and look for anything related to the transmission. Now there is no fault. It's erasing and reading. Erasing and reading, everything look good. I gotta go to the engine now. I have no faults. Say okay. Special function. It's not here on the engine. I want to see this car have a transmission. Yeah. Before also I have no fault, but I just want to do the reset, special function, memory reset. This function serves to delete the learning memory in the electronic throttle control. You see, memory reset require valve body. Memory reset is required after valve body replacement. Now resetting, yes, thank you. Valve body or the whole transmission. 40 seconds. We're gonna wait. Okay. Here now the memory reset is complete. Perform the operation. Turn the ignition off. 2. At road test is required. Refer to related document for details. Continuous variable transmission vehicle road test is not required. Okay. Escape. Thank you very much. Thank you for all this. See you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, and we're done with this one. We're not gonna make more than this. Thank you.